Hello. We replaced the door lock. Wasn't too bad actually. Get the door panel off. Get this little plastic cover off. Get this off by lifting from the bottom, mostly prying out from the bottom and then popping it out and then sliding it out. This is a crash sensor, so be aware of that. I would recommend disconnecting the battery before messing with it. But anyway, 2 bolts hold that in. You gotta get the lock cylinder out, which doesn't look like a lock cylinder, but there is. I figure I could do a little bit more explanation on this part. So this door latch here is going to fit into here. So this little notch will fit into this is how the door lock's sitting in there, so it'll fit cleanly into that. So look for that in the door. So we'll pull the handle, slide this in, and it should interface right there. Okay, cool. So then you come over here and you have 2 different locks, or 2 different bolts. This one goes right here. This one goes here. The other bolt is down in here. That's why I got this long T handle. So we'll tie that one up first, and then we'll put this one down second. And there you go. You can tell that you got the correct spot because this one is covered up by a little piece of decorative junk right there. See? Decorative piece, that bolt, and that plugs into there, and then this little bolt gets this fancy little cap. So there's that. The rest of it's just plugging and putting crap back together. This is probably the second most frustrating thing on the door, and it wasn't even that bad. And then triple squares for the 2, what are they, 8s? 6s. Triple square 6. And then you slide it out. The trick is getting these 2 different, this is the inner door lock, this is the outer door lock, or lat pull handle, the cable. You have to, once you get the cover off, this one you just twist and pull out. This one you have to pop a little cover off, then you twist it and pull out. So that's how you get those off of there. But we traced the signals all the way to here. We checked for pins 6 and 7. 7 seemed to be the lock command, 6 seemed to be the unlock command, and we had signals all the way to here, but we were getting no hot action from this lovely, beautiful lock system. So we got a new one. Got the new one. We'd already tried it to here, so we plugged it in, hit lock, it locked, hit unlocked, it unlocked. So great, fixed it on this Beetle that's got 10,000 miles on it. It's 2014, so not super new, but new enough that that shouldn't be an issue. Welcome to over-engineered Germans. Anyway, so even though it doesn't look like you have a lock cylinder, it's under there. I didn't realize that. This is just a decorative cover that covers that to make it look like you don't have a lock cylinder. I guess it deters pirates. Deters road pirates. Anyway, we're just going to put it back together and move on with our day. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.